Medical malpractice is a very specialized area of the law. It involves an injury in association with medical care, either on the part of a doctor, a nurse, or a hospital. It can come up in any number of ways: a surgical injury, a medication error, or a failure to diagnose. The types of cases we handle and have a special expertise in include surgical injuries, birth trauma. Obviously, the stakes in a birth trauma situation are extraordinary. We've had the privilege of being asked to represent a number of clients over the years with injuries which I can only describe as devastating. And through the cases we've handled, we've been able to demonstrate that those birth injuries were very clearly the result of negligence during the delivery. I've also handled a number of surgical cases. A recurring injury which seems to keep coming up is injury during gallbladder surgery. It's performed laparoscopically nowadays, but I've handled over a dozen cases where clients were injured very seriously with what's called bile duct injuries. The ducts that drain bile from the liver were cut inadvertently during surgery. They're not supposed to be cut. And this surgery was new in the early 1990s, and there was a rash of bile duct injuries in the early to mid 1990s. What's surprising to us is these injuries continue to happen now, almost 15 years after that type of surgery was first introduced in the American medical literature.